Everything has been pretty boring.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Nancy, and today for this video we're going to be reviewing a few different spicy ramen, and I think there's like around 5 in here, and I got them all from H Mart in San Jose because they have like a super big range of Asian ramen. I like pretty much only like the spicy one because I love spicy, and maybe you guys would want to try it after too. Also, I'm wearing my cup noodle shirt hoodie that I got from Korea. It was only $5. I have to get it. Matching cup noodle. Okay, let's jump into the video. Okay, so we got our first ramen contestant right here. This one has powder soup, and this one, oh fuck, I can't read it. It's probably like veggies, I'm guessing. This one is called Yolo Ramen. It's a super spicy brand. I'm hoping it's as spicy as a salmon spicy one. I'm just hoping that it's like the right level. Okay, next we have the tteokbokki noodle. I always thought it's the tteokbokki noodle because it's like the texture of tteokbokki. It looks so good on the cover. Like, I have high expectations. Okay, we got some eggs cooked and some pork shoulder or butt cheek, whatever it is. It's good. I love eating pork belly and like other pork meat with ramen. Even though it has so much fat, I really don't mind. Okay, I'm confused which one is which now, but I don't think it matters. Honestly, my spicy tolerance is like pretty high, if I do say so myself, so I hope I'm not wrong. I'm gonna try these out. Okay, now we're doing the Yolo Ramen. I feel like they look the same to me, but this one's a little bit darker, the sauce. I'm excited!
Okay, so
We're about to eat. I'm fucking hungry.
Okay. I have the Yolo super spicy.
Yeah, I have like the tteokbokki noodle.
Yeah.
Both from H Mart.
You guys haven't been to H Mart, you're missing out. It kind of reminds me of Shin ramen. Right off the bat.
Really?
Yeah, but not more
as like MSG though.
Yeah, more subtle. Definitely more subtle.
What should I say you get?
It would definitely taste like tteokbokki. Like very sweet.
The meat is really good. Oh, almost choked.
This is some pork shoulder we got from H Mart.
Pork shoulder. I think your sauce is like stronger. Holy shit. Okay, that's definitely better.
Wanna switch? You're good. Yeah. You're definitely sweeter. Now bring your utensils over. I ain't into that shit. And your meat.
Shit.
Yeah. I'm just playing, yo. I think ramen is one food that I probably won't get tired of.
I like the wet or like soup ramen. It's like hot, cold outside.
Yeah.
Or like I just feel like it, you know. And the dry one is really good too.
Definitely not the best choice right now, considering it's almost 90 degrees.
I had some ramen socks.
Oh really?
And got them in Japan.
Oh, wow,
I should have worn them, but I have it now. These aren't actually that spicy.
Even if it's not spicy, I still get sweaty. Packaging looked good. We thought it tastes good. And it's from Pato too. Pato is known for spiciness. I'm kind of let down. Yeah, for this one, a 5. I gave it like a 3, and this one is like, yeah, a 5.
Damn. Well, yeah, I already hear you down. Keep moving. Do this. Never mind.
Alright, moving on. We have the bowl neck something. I'll link in the description if I find the name. And the volcano chicken noodle. This one looks pretty damn spicy.
Okay. I'm excited. Hopefully this turn out better than the one earlier.
Respect all ramen.
Pretty spicy?
Yeah.
Let's start with yours.
Straight up.
Alright.
Wait, hurry up.
I'm salivating right now. You can really taste the curry in that one.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
It's like a little sweet too.
Not overbearing.
Yeah.
This is good. It has a very charred flavor to it. Kind of reminds me of like a charcoal grill.
Mmm.
When you cook your meat.
Is it authentic?
In a way.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to get water. Milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Japan, where they charcoal it on charcoal grill. They cook it. I forgot what's that place called that we went in LA.
Quarters.
Quarters. Yes. You guys ever go to LA? Try Quarters. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely quality over all you can eat.
I don't really taste the seafood anymore. It's just good because I hate seafood.
That
What do you mean?
sushi? We love sushi.
I go crazy.
Oh.
My mouth's burning! Honestly, my spicy solution is like the it kind of overpowers the flavor.
Yeah. Get my lips again.
Oh, that was spicy. Okay, so far nothing has beaten the Samyang ramen. I'm telling y'all that is top tier.
Yeah.
I rate it like 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, I still can't talk right now. One of the ways that you to get rid of the burn after you eat something spicy, just close your mouth and just let it burn like this. The burn will go like this and it'll like go down. That's what I do. It helps. It helps.
Okay. It is finally done.
This is what it looks like. Very saucy.
I like to drain like all the water out of this because even if you have a little bit of water, it'll kind of like dilute it, the sauce. I don't know why I'm so obsessed over a ramen, but as you can tell, I'm like back home now. I asked my cousin if he wanted to do it with me, but he didn't want to, so I'm gonna do it myself. Alright, let's get started. Okay, this has to be the best texture like ever. The flavoring is so good. The spiciness level is just right.
Yeah, eat it with some meat, some veggies, you know, call it a day.
I don't even mind the spicy at all because it's so fucking good. It's so fucking delicious.
Ooh wee! Oh shit! This is about to be fucking delicious. I had to get me another fucking plate because it was so fucking good.
We love it! Bon appetit! My nose is kind of runny. And as you can see, I just need to let it burn. Just need to close your mouth.
So I give this 10 out of 10.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Right, Larry? Okay, he said no paparazzi.